Hello! Today I want to do unboxing of something that I've got on my course site on semi-annual sale, and it was some 4% off. So I've got it, and here it is. It is a wallet from my course. So let's open it. Here I have scissors. Hope it wasn't used, as it came like this. Maybe not. Original price was 178. Well, that's much. And the wallet name is Jet Set Travel Metallic Snake Embraced Leather Continental Wristlet. So it's actually a wristlet. So it looks like this. And let's open it. Wow. It's kind of huge. And it has this weird squeaky sound. See, it's so huge. So let me show you how it looks. So it looks like this. It has here pockets for cards, ID. Then let's remove those stuff for some time, because it's weird. Let's remove this and see if this... Oh, now it's not so squeaky. So it has few slits pockets, then another pocket here and here and here, and then here you can put your cards in these compartments here, and then you can put stuff here, then you can put more stuff here and here. Wow, it's huge. I thought it would be less sloppy, more structure, but it's kind of sloppy. Like, see, it doesn't keep your shape. I mean, doesn't keep shape. It's like so soft. See? It's not super stiff. And here it has this wristlet. So once more time. Here you could put your phone, maybe. iPhone 7, no, iPhone 6 Plus. So let's see if it fits. Maybe here. It fits. So let's see if it's closing. Yeah, it closed. Now it's more structured looking with iPhone. So yeah, and if you put more cards, of course it will be more structured. So I guess it's good. And here you can put coins inside, but it's not deep, it's kind of shallow. This pocket because we don't go all the way to zipper, but little shorter. They are also not so deep. But yeah, that's my unboxing of wallet from my course. So that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. If you like such videos, then give thumbs up and subscribe for future. See you in the next one. Bye.